Hello guys, welcome back. If you've been looking for a website to earn a little money to spend this Christmas, then I've got just that for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The website we'll be talking about today is Remotasks. Remotasks is an online tasking platform focusing on building technologies related to artificial intelligence, neutral works, and machine learning. Remotasks is a platform that builds real artificial intelligence with the help of real people. So you are part of the people who will be helping them build the AI. Remotasks offers a variety of tasks like 2D and 3D image annotation and categorization, all of which can help companies develop tech like new gadgets and self-driving cars. Remotasks sends out payments on a weekly basis, and this is done automatically by their system, so you wouldn't have to request a withdrawal. It is done automatically. They pay through PayPal and AirTM, and they accept applicants from a lot of countries around the world. I would leave a link to the Remotasks approved countries in the description. Remotasks runs a special bonus program every December, so workers could take this opportunity to earn more during the festive season. Before I go on ahead to discuss this program, we'll go through the Remotasks website to see how the platform works. I'll leave a link to the website in the description. And guys, if you do use my referral link to create a Remotasks account, you get a $10 bonus when you make your first $20, and I also get the same amount of bonus, that's $10. So thanks in advance if you do decide to use my link to create your account. So this is the Remotasks dashboard. Over here is the link to the help center where you can get guides, tasking tips and tricks, support forums and more. And then you can join your Slack community through this link here. And then to complete your account, your profile, to potentially unlock new projects and task type, you can click here. So you complete your profile. Your earnings accumulate over here. So if you make any amount of money whilst working, it all accumulates here and it gets updated regularly. And here is your quality report. So over here you can check how good or how bad you are doing in a task. So if you check and the quality is bad, I would advise you probably stop working on that task and go to work on something else. And then over here we have the bonuses. So if you receive any bonuses, like bonuses from the special bonus program we'll be talking about today, this is where you'll find them. So these are the bonuses I've received so far from the special bonus program, which they run during the Christmas season. Before you start working on Remotasks, you would have to complete a course for that particular task. So if you click on start tasking, it will automatically take you to an entry-level task. That's like the basics, the easiest of tasks. So you would have to complete a course. Then after the course, you'd do a little training. It doesn't really take long, so you should be able to complete that in a matter of minutes. Then you can start working on that particular task. So click on training to go to the training page. This is the training page. Over here we have the categorization of tasks. So these are the easy ones, then followed by the 2D tags, then the 3D tags. The amount of money you would earn on each tag depends on the difficulty. So these tags pay lesser than these, and these tags pay lesser than these. So the 3D tags pay the highest amongst all these. So since these tags are grayed out, it means that most of them are not available. These are the entry-level tags. These are for the beginners, and these are the easy ones. So if you start working on Remotasks, then I advise you go with these first. So when you click on transcription, these are the tags available for the transcription. So you would have to, if you click on this, it would open a course. You would have to go through the course and complete a short quiz. Then you can start working. That's how all the tags on Remotasks work. So that's how it is. The same applies for these. You would have to complete a course and a short quiz. And over here there are a couple of exams you can take. We have the English certification exams and the Spanish, Italian. So they are basically language exams. So the more languages you understand, the more tax I think you you would have the more languages you understand and the more languages you are able to speak and work in, the more tasks you receive on your page. And there are also certification exams for other types of tasks. So we have codes, redfish, and a whole lot of other ones. So if you are able to pass these, then you get more tasks on your page. Task log. Over here you would find your overall earnings, the task you've completed, and the last days you completed the task, and the task you've completed, and the amounts each task paid. You would find all of that here on the task log page. And then we go to balance page. It's also similar to the task log page, so it keeps track of the tasks you've done and the amounts you've been paid for each task, and it lets you know if it also lets you know if the task you submitted were rejected or approved. If your tasks were rejected, you will not be receiving payments for them, but if they are approved, you will. So you should try your best to provide the best quality of work when you're working so you can get paid. So we'll move ahead to the main reason why we are here, the special bonus program. These are the bonuses I got for doing the special bonus program in December last year, which is 2021. It's not a lot because I didn't see the email on time, so I didn't work for long and it ended, so I didn't make a lot of money from it. But then we'll be going to my email so we see the details of the special bonus program run by Remotasks during the Christmas season. The special bonus program is mainly centered on the entry-level task, making it very easy for everyone to partake in. So last year's program was on Flamingo and is one of the easiest you could find on Remotasks. It's an entry level, so if you're just starting out, you can work on it. This is the email I received last year. This is not the first. I think I mistakenly deleted the first, but this was sent when December program was ending. So I'll read it out. If you didn't know, Flamingos in December is our largest bonus program to date for Remotasks, giving stacking bonus payouts for 1+ hours of work. The daily bonus tier 1 and tier 2 bonus can all still be done today, and up to $13 bonus today. Our task completion deadline happens on the 17th of December 2021. So you could earn up to $13 bonus. How cool is that? And this is the flyer. Let me zoom in on this so I can read it. Flamingos in December, Remotasks bonus stacking program. Examples on top the base pay. So if you're able to complete 100 tasks, you get $1 as a bonus pay. If you're able to complete 300 tasks, you get a total of $6 bonus payout. And if you're able to complete 500 tasks, you get $13. So if you complete 500 tasks on that day, you get a total bonus payout of $13 in addition to what you earned completing the task. So you could earn probably around $20 to $25 during a day during the special bonus program. So daily bonus challenge: log in and complete at least 100 Flamingo bullets with fracture tasks reviews in 24 hours. You earn $1 bonus. Tier 1 bonus: complete at least 300 Flamingo bullets with fracture tasks by 17 December. Bonus is $3 and you earn up to $6 bonus payouts for 300 tasks. The same applies to this. Accuracy is being monitored for all bonuses. Consistently low performing task attempts will not be eligible for bonuses. So don't think that because they are running a bonus and the higher task you complete, the more you're earning, you're going to provide poor quality work. If your accuracy is very low, you're not going to earn the bonuses. So try your best to provide the best quality of work so that you don't just end up wasting your time and your energy. Provide the best quality of work, then you get your bonuses in addition to what you earn during that day. And then there is the weekend bonus program. The one we just looked at earlier in the 17th of December. This is from the 18th to the 20th. So this is for the weekend only. With flamingos in December coming to a close and the weekend starting, we want to give you some bonus opportunities as you go into the weekend. See below for some awesome stacking bonuses for the next few days. Daily bonus running on 18th December UTC to 20th December. So this is for the weekend. $1 for 150 tags each day. So if you're able to complete 150 tags, you earn $1 bonus in the tier 1. Extra $4 for doing 450 tasks. That's up to $7 total bonus. And extra $8 for doing 900 tasks. That's up to $15 total bonus. So it gets better during the weekend and you're able to earn more during the weekend. And it's not even over. There's one more bonus program. This is the biggest and the highest paying bonus program run during December, run during the Christmas season, and this starts from the 21st till the end of December 31st. So it's like it looks like the program is run almost throughout the whole of December, so you just have to catch it early. We know the end of the year has been rough for some of you, so we have one last surprise for you to end 2021. Given all the hard work our taskers have put in, along with the great feedback that we heard from the Flamingo in December program, we are super excited to launch New Year Countdown Flamingos. Exceeding Flamingos in December as the largest bonus program to date, this program provides different daily bonuses each day. $24 total in daily bonuses to be earned. So you could earn a total of $24 every day till the end of December. So that's from the 21st to the 31st. That's 10 days. If you earn $24 every day, if you're able to earn $24 that's just bonus a day, that's over 200 before you add the amount you earn for completing those tasks too. So you could earn a total of around $500 to almost $600 throughout the whole of December from doing just the special December bonus program for attempters and reviewers to complete tasks on Flamingo Refractor. To top it all off, there are also tier 1 and tier 2 bonuses that let you earn up to $40 in total bonus. Countdown to the new year with Flamingo Bullet Refractor. Log in and complete 200 tasks in 24 hours. And guys, yes, remember, each challenge lasts for 24 hours. So if you are unable to complete it before the 24 hours, you lose your bonus. Let's say you are supposed to complete 200 tasks and you're able to complete only 150, you will not be able, and the day ends, you will not be able to get your bonus. So start early so you'll be able to complete the challenge so you can earn your money. 21st of December, log in and complete 200 tasks in 24 hours to get $2 bonus. And the same type of challenges run throughout the days till the 31st. So here is 150, 250, 175, Christmas special 100, and then there's a tier 1 bonus. Complete 1,000 tasks between the 21st of December to the 31st of December and you earn an additional $8 bonus, and complete 2,000 and you earn additional $16 bonus, and you can earn up to a total of $32 for the tier 1 and $40 for the tier 2. So guys, be vigilant. And I haven't yet received an email from Remotasks announcing the commencement of the special bonus, and the Flamingo tasks are not available on the Remotasks page at the moment, so I don't know if this year's special program will be based on a different task and not Flamingo. I haven't received an email yet from Remotasks announcing the commencement of the special bonus program. If the program starts, I'll make a video to inform you. So if you do not want to miss out when I send out the alerts, then best thing you can do is to subscribe to this channel so you get alerted when I upload the video announcing the commencement of the special bonus program. And let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that they do run this program this year as well. But whilst we all wait for the special bonus program, there are some tasks available on Remotasks you could work on for the meantime to make some money, as I showed earlier. There are a couple of tags, the 2D and the 3D tags, and then the entry level tags, which is the categorization and the transcription tags. You could earn a decent amount over there, so you can start working on those for now until they decide to run the special bonus program, which I would let you guys know about when they do start. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.